Good morning, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2011 Ford F-150 EcoBoost Lariat. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. And then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. And then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. I'm trying to get both angles for you as well, so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos, it saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a really good idea of what you're coming in to look at before you even come in. If it'll focus for me, I do apologize, folks. Holy smokes. But as you can see, it has a two-tone paint. The rear tinted windows, tow mirrors, running boards, new rubber all the way around. As you can see, it has the backup sensors, backup camera, tow pack. One thing it is missing is a bed liner. That's about the only thing this thing is actually missing, and I'll show you what I mean here in just a moment when we get on the inside. This thing has about every feature you could possibly get for this year. It's a great looking truck. Let's get down here on tire size for you. Again, new rubber all the way around. There are rain guards too. I think that's a nice add, especially if you're up here in the northwest area. Fog lights, sunroof. All right, let's get to the inside condition and features. See, it has that wood grain, the Sony premium sound, power windows, power locks. The power memory seats. Let's get the condition of the leather. Leather's in really good condition. There's a sunroof up there. We'll get that here in a second. Center console. Passenger seat here. It does have the rubber floor mats all the way around. Has the factory cloth ones as well, but they're underneath those. Let's get the back seat here. Condition. No rips, tears, or stains. Let's lift this up, and again, it has the rubber floor mat, and right under there is a Sony amp, 700 watt amp. We have the rear air. Charging there, excuse me. Got something. Alright, let's get some features up front here. As you can see, it does have the pedal adjusters. We have the steering wheel controls here. Media center. Navigation, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio. Heated and cooled seats. The sync, and then you do actually have the factory tow assist. So actually a really nice feature to have. And then for the rear slider, the sunroof. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. This does have remote start as well. I'll turn it over after we pop the hood here and take a look underneath. Alright, oh, I apologize, folks. Alright. Now, I do say this in my videos all the time, guys. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I do like to get this in here for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've probably looked at a few others, and you know what you're looking for. So I just want to get it in here the best I can for you. All of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, inspect for oil leaks, all of those things. So please keep that in mind. Again, remote start. Turns right over. Great feature for the summer or dead of winter. Oh, might want to unlock it. Let's unlock it. Let's turn it over. See the mileage here for you. Well, there's a mileage there. But as you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Here is Sony surround sound. There is the navigation, backup camera. Again, great feature. Well, I do hope this helps answer some questions for you. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Just give me a text or a call. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.